I'm going to show you how I created this skeleton royalty look using Spirit Halloween products. First, I'm using the white body crayon to draw a skull, filling it in and then blending it with a brush. Then, using the black body crayon, I'll outline the skull. Next, I'm going to take some purple and blue grease paint with a brush and blend it in with the black to all of the sunken in areas of the skull. I'll be using the eyeshadow from the metallic makeup kit and adding it to all of the grease paint areas for more depth and highlight. Using the black lip set, I'll define the lip area with the liner and fill it in with the gloss. Now time for some bling. I'll be applying the press-on gemstones and jewel face decals around my eye area, forehead, and cheeks. Finally, I put on a white wig and the Graveyard Queen costume to finish the look. Visit your local Spirit Halloween to get everything you need to make your own Skeleton Queen. And stay spooky!